Yeah, what is up, everybody? Well, as you can see, man, I'm telling you, that's the reason why I cannot go live stream or record a video at the spot at the flea market. Just pretty much do the aftermath. Cause, well, if you blink, you're missing out. Just like I said, to a few of the viewers who have been asking, um, where am I getting all this stuff, or how come I not recording? And well, as you guys have seen, that's why. But without further ado, man, take a look. Nothing but premiums, but I have forgotten about these trucks, man. Hot trucks. This is probably a 2017, if I'm guessing right. This is the best, though. The best out of the pack. Definitely did not have it. Great 5-pack for sure. There you guys have it. Silverado, Titan, F-150, Toyota Tundra, and 49 Ford. Very nice. The 5-pack trucks. And let's start on the left. They're a random order. At the left, though, I did put the bubble ones. Bubble blister. Take a look at this Nissan GTR R34 from the Fast and the Furious. Great casting for sure, man. You know, Nissan and Skylines are always gonna be great. And I like the artwork, man. You can't see it much, but very nice back there. And the casting itself is very detailed. Sky headlights, the blinkers, and the back tampos, very neat. I think this is one of the greatest castings out there for Skylines, just because you have all the tampos all around, and it's blue. Okay, está bien. And take a look, man. I know I have shown you guys the Simpsons car, but this is the premium version. Real Riders, metal on metal. The Simpsons family car. Very nice.
Very nice.
I had not seen these at all, and well, I'm glad to have it in the collection. So, no doubts. I seen it, I picked it up. Take a look. Back to the Future. I don't think we have this casting at all, man, but this is pretty much like the Super. It's just it's in hover mode, the other one, and well, you have the TH, but this is pretty close to it. Being Samac, minor details on the, well, I guess they're very detailed on the head, on the tail lights, the grill, and the side hoses or whatever those are, cables. But yeah, Back to the Future, Time Machine 2. Very nice. Very nice. I didn't even check the back for this. See if they have something special. But not really. And take a look, man. This is the Beatles Yellow Submarine. And once again, man, I had not seen this one in the bubble blister at all. I do have the ones from the Screen Time series, so that's good. But once again, I could not let this one pass. Great casting for sure. And take a look, Lamborghini. Found this one as well, and the one I had previously, I sent it to Devon. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen that haul or that trade box that I sent with a lot of great castings, and there's a few that I did not show just so he could show, and it's not the exact same video, you know. So hopefully we'll get to see his unboxing, and unboxing, and you guys will see exactly what all I sent. And take a look at this one, man. I know this one of these ones were cracked. That's because I grabbed two. The mystery machine, man. These things are. This one is dirty. This one is dirty. You can see the back. That's the reason why I grabbed the other one. But then this other one has it's missing from the cardboard. And I think this one of them was cracked for sure. I don't remember exactly which one, but that's not a problem with me. Here it is. This is the cracked. So can't win, can't have it all. So yeah, man. Take a look at the time machine mystery. Very, very nice. Take a look at the interior. Scooby-Doo. I think this is a cool casting. And also we do have it as a main line. Yeah. Very, very nice. Well, I already showed the two, and then this one is clean, but it's missing the cardboard. So, and there's the rest of the set. And let's see, it is Datsun Wagon 510 favorites, which by now you guys know I already have a completed set. The one I was missing was the Volkswagen Squareback. But yeah, I think there is a chase for this. I do not have it, but I have everything that's written down here. So that's cool. I consider that as a set, because chases are hard to find, very hard. So yeah, take a look, man. Another Honda Odyssey. This one I also bought with the set that I sent Devon. This one I bought already, so this is my second one, and I'm pretty sure I went over it. You got the temples on the front. Damn, this thing is very nice. You got the temple on the back and the window as well. Very, very detailed. So yeah, very clean. And I think that I saw the Ford Transit at the Flea. I got beat to it. So yeah, because I don't have it here at all. And take a look at this one. Candy filled fun straws. Yeah. There's the Laffy Taffy, Sweet Tarts, Nerds, Fan Dip, and sticks, Pixie sticks. I really like the wheels, and of course this is a front Ford Bronco, so could not pass it, you know. I just couldn't. And who would, man? You know, this thing is great. Great Bronco in a metal on metal, you know what I'm saying. And let's start over here. Take a look at this Volkswagen, man. This one, very nice casting with the red line replica. 6 out of 15. There you guys have all the ones that are in this set. Evil Twin, 56 Chevy, 64 Impala, 65 Mustang convertible, 68 Mercury Cougar, and then you have this casting, the Volkswagen and the Shelby Cobra, Red Baron, 56 Flash Cider, Neat Streeter, Haas motorcycle, 69 Camaro, 67 Pontiac GTO, Baja Beetle, and Dodge Charger. But I think for me, I mean, you guys know Volkswagen. We see it, we buy it, and like the paint job and the casting itself is great. Very nice. And more premiums, man. Take a look at this Austin minivan. Great set of wheels, man. I was thinking of buying these as just for what you call it, wheel donors, but I think we have a complete set now. I mean, I know I'm not showing, but if you guys remember the sneak peek, we got some premiums in that box. So yeah, stay tuned. And well, for now, this is the 67 Aston minivan. Very nice. Wonder Woman. Damn, that is very clean. Very, very nice. Really like the casting, but I was gonna have it as a wheel donor. Same as this one. This is the Chevy Nova delivery. Might end up having this as a wheels donor, cause I don't think we'll get to the Ford Ranchero. But yeah, take a look. Tampons on the back, the side, and the front. Which my phone can't really focus. There you go. It's a 64 Chevy Nova delivery. We'll see, man. Like, we'll see. And take a look. Custom 77 Dodge van. This is a Batman.
This is a Batman.
And I really like the tampons. The same as the Wonder Woman. Very great details. Light blue interior. Nice wheels. And like I said, I had grabbed this one for wheels as a wheel donor, because those would have been on a cool combi. Same as that. Same as this ones. I would have put those on a cool combi. But anyways, man, take a look. Macho Power Wagon, bro. Yeah, this thing is sick. This thing is really nice, man. Macho Power Wagon. Damn. This is great. It's got the bully. This is just great, man. Take a look. Lights up on the top. And the design. The wheels also look very macho, you know what I'm saying? Mucho macho. Batman, I think this is a different Batman series. Yeah, that's crazy, but there you guys have it. And last but not least, last row, some Johnny Lightning import heat. Take a look at this Civic Honda Civic. Oh man, I don't know why my phone won't capture the whole thing. There you go. It says auto something on the back, but then you got Honda and Honda on the hood. Those wheels. And let's see if I can get the back. Automator. I think that's what it says. And the license plate. Clear. Yeah, I can't really tell what it exactly says. Q later. And also something on the back bumper, but the camera won't pick it right. And yeah, man, nevertheless, import heat. Very nice. Johnny Lightning. And you have it started on the coast of the US. Blah blah blah. Very nice, man. Well, if you guys want to read, there you guys have it. And collect all 6. Damn, that's crazy. Acura Integra Type R and Acura Integra Custom. Damn. But I don't know. This is probably from another set. Take a look. This is the Skyline GTR 34, man. This is the Johnny Lightning. Pretty much the same as this one, but yeah, I don't know, man. We'll probably have to open to see the exact difference. But this is a little bit more lifted. This one looks metallic, and this one looks like plastic, or it's probably the paint job. It's not metallic paint job, so. And take a look at the license plate. Michigan, crushed. B-Spec, GTR, Nissan. And the headlights. They're more like big, more undefined. But yeah, man, I don't know. Definitely like the Hot Wheels version. And yeah. Let's see where else. The last one, Marjorie. This is a Nissan GTR 35, man. And very cool. I don't know. I don't think those are rubber tires. But yeah, man. Nevertheless, it's got the cool features, opening doors, and so that's cool, you know. And left-hand drive as well. 1 out of 6 Nissan GTR. And there you guys have it. This is the back. And well, that was it, man. That's pretty much the haul. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And yeah, there was a lot more that I could have grabbed, but like I said, I got beat to some of the castings. It is what it is. And anyways, guys, just stay tuned and see you guys. And well, stay tuned for that other video coming up, man. I got another haul that I have forgotten, which I got mainlined, and that one is before the sneak peek video. And well, cause I have another flea market mainlined, and I have a Clark's random act of kindness box from the live stream that we received. So thank you for that, Clark. We'll get to it eventually. And also the sneak peek video, which was a great haul. So I got 3 videos for lined up that I know of. And other than that, I haven't done any hauls, any huntings at the store, so I only got 3 more videos. But as always, you know, like I'll go hunt back again at the flea market. It is only Tuesday right now, and I'm off today, so hopefully get this done, uploaded and everything. But enough talking, guys. See you guys, and thank you so much. And as always, if you haven't done so, go ahead and subscribe to Toon Tracks Racing. Just you don't really have to watch all the videos, man. Just subscribe to him, and that will be greatly appreciated, I'm pretty sure. And yeah, man, just subscribe. That's all you have to do. Hit the like. No, hit the subscribe button. You don't even have to hit the notification bell. I'm pretty sure he'll be pleased simply with that. So yeah, guys, see you, and thank you guys for watching. And stay tuned, man. More things are coming up, and I'm pretty sure you guys gonna enjoy the videos. Yeah.